Sometimes DT and I will joke about this ultimate music player because that's what it says. This is Dead Beef, the ultimate music player. And sometimes I'll joke and say, well, I prefer Live Cow or Live Steak music player. Anyway, let's take a quick look at this. And yeah, this has been around since 2009, and that's a long time in the Linux world. So you can check it out here at the website. So if we go to download, now I did not know this, but there's a Windows version, a nightly build, and a Mac version. Cool. So it's multi-platform. Now I already have this installed, so let's take a quick look at this and see what we have. So let's go ahead and go, and I'm testing this in Lubuntu, by the way, just for testing. So we'll go to Dead Beef. And yeah, as it is without the plugins, it's kind of like Audacious, which is currently my current favorite lightweight music player. So why don't we drop in a bunch of my dad's songs here? And yeah, I mean, if you're looking for something lightweight without all the bloat, as we like to say, maybe this is something for you. So briefly here we have File, Open Folders, Location, Edit, View. So it looks like we have a equalizer, which is, yeah, this is something I really never use. Some playback mode here, including repeat and shuffle. Help, and let's see, preferences real quick. Sound, playback order, DSP, miscellaneous, minimize to tray on startup, or close minimizes to tray, hide system tray. Okay, appearance. Let's see here, not much here except override, network, and hotkeys, plugins. Wow, there's a whole bunch of plugins here. Why don't we just leave this plain for now? And let's take a listen to one of my dad's songs. This one here. I never get tired of that song because there's my dad singing it. And in one of the verses, he's saying, "Oh, hey, I'm screwed." Anyway, basic functions here: play and pause here, rewind or previous, forward. So it's, yeah. Okay, that song there, Symphony of Love, that was not my dad singing, that was one of his friends. And you can see here at the bottom it has total play time for 5 tracks of 21 minutes and 54 seconds. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if it's the ultimate music player, but if you like something lightweight, and in my brief test here it seemed totally stable, you can enable some of the plugins to make it look like what they have on the website. Let's see, let's go back here, which would be looking like this, so including artwork and so on. Now what does say here, the screenshot above demonstrates a highly customized Dead Beef running on Linux with several additional plugins. And yeah, so sure, why not recommend something that looks simple and stable? So check out Dead Beef, the ultimate music player. Let me know if you guys try it. Take care. Ciao.